Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing about how to write the first program using Python. So many of us feel like the coding is very difficult, right? So it's not like that actually. If you know the basic fundamentals about the coding, we can write any code, like it's Python or C or Java or anything. But comparatively, the Python coding is quite will be quite familiar if you keep on working or executing more and more programs. Okay, it is very important in software point of view also. If we the openings related to Python coder are very high. So let us write in this video. Let us write first code, right? First program. How to print hello. That will be my first program using Python. So in Python we have a function called print. What is it? Print. So here, just within the inverted commas, just write down hello. That's it. And you execute this code and see here the output we got here is hello, right? So in this way we can write the code for printing hello. So in other languages like programming language like C language or Java, we have to write many steps in between here, like we have to write import statement, we have to create package, all these things will be there here. But while coming to the Python, here we just directly we are going to write print. That's it. In C language, if we take the example of C language, we write hash include stdio dot hash main, and after that only we are going to write the step printf, which is related to the uh, uh, like printing the messages. Now I am using the here in this, look at that Python. Just I am going to print the message hello. That's it. By using the statement called function called print, I am making a call to print function, and within inverted commas I am going to write hello. That's it. And I am going to print the message hello. That's it. Okay. So now I want to get the value into some variable, some like a equals to or a equals to 12. This value I wanted to print. And look at here how I'm going, right? Just print, write down print, and within the bracket you write down a. And let me execute this code, and we are going to get, you observe here we are getting the output here 12. And you observe the very interesting thing in the Python is we are not using what kind of data type we have to use, int or char or float or what. No need to mention any data type. Just write down the variable name and the value. That's it. The automatically the system that itself, the Python compiler itself will treat it as integer, as you have as in 12, as which is the integer number. For example, if you are entering 12.5, now see this variable can accept 12.5 also, and see here what is the output we are getting, 12.5. Means no need to mention any data type, just like in C or Java what we are doing. So now I am going to store the name India. Okay, and I am going to print it. See here what is the output I am getting, India. Means I can store the name also without mentioning what data type is. Just indicate the variable name and assign the value. That's it. The value will be stored and it will be printed by using the step called print. Very easy actually when if you start writing the code using Python. And you may get it out what is the software you are using for working executing this program. As of now I am using PyCharm. You can go with Python download direct softwares, and you can execute the programs. Okay, PyCharm is convenient for me, that's why I'm using this. Okay, so now I have to read two values. For example, a value is 12, b value is 24. A plus b, what is the value of a plus b? 12 plus 24, 36. And see here what is the output we are going to get here, 36 we are getting the output. So this is a simple way to write the code in Python. Okay, in the next video I'll be discussing about how to read the input from the keyboard. I mean how to read the input from the user. That will be my next video. You just follow this, how to execute the basic programs of Python. You can take multiple variables here and you can execute. Okay, so hope you understood the first program in Python using Python. Thank you guys.